All right, so here's a look at this bedside toilet. Now this thing's gonna be very versatile. Not only can it be here next to the bedside, but you could also use it in the bathroom, and I'll show you that here in a second. But let me go ahead and show you some of the features real quick of this. So I like the fact that they made this to where you basically just snap this onto this back pole right here, making the setup on this really easily. Plus you're able to slide this up and down and kind of hold it at whatever position you want. So they have a really good design when it comes to that part. Now down here in the middle, this is going to be your main component, and it's nice because it does have this lid on it. So whenever someone uses the restroom, you can go ahead and throw this lid right on top, and then you can easily just grab this basket up, bring it out, and toss it away. Now sometimes people will use liners inside of here as well, so you could put like a plastic liner in here, making cleanup even easier than bringing the bucket out. But either way, depending on how you want to use it, you have a couple of different options. Now on the side, you've got these plastic handles, which make it easy for them to grab and use their body weight to kind of sit down onto the toilet. And it's also going to be very adjustable as well. So you can kind of see down here at the bottom, they've got these notches. Right now I've got it on the highest setting, but you've got a bunch of options. So if you wanted it to be lower, kind of depending on the person's height, making it easier for them to get off and on the toilet. Now another thing that's cool about this is you could just take this off. There's going to be two buttons here on the inside, and you can actually pop this off, fold it in, and now you can bring it with you on the go. So if you need to bring this with you all the time, it's easy to just throw it in the car. Or if you're bringing it upstairs, downstairs, in the room, in the restroom, you've got a lot of options, and you could really just set this up in a matter of seconds by putting this pole back in here, snapping these pieces in place, and then taking the bucket, putting it right on top, and it's pretty much ready to go. So really easy, super versatile, and I love the fact that it has that adjustability going up and down, because one of the issues with these a lot of times is it's difficult for them to get on, but having the adjustability of the height, plus it also has these rubberized feet down here, which is going to be great if you've got hardwood floor, laminate floor, or carpet floor like us. All right, so now you know some of the features. Let's bring it into the bathroom, and I'm going to show you how it works in there. All right, so now we've got it here in our bathroom above the toilet, and the great thing about this is you could use it as a toilet seat riser. Now this is a little difficult because we've got this Toto toilet seat top on here, which is kind of thick, but if you've got like a traditional toilet, this will fit right over the top of it, making it really easy for them to use the regular toilet. So if most of the time they're in here, they've got this regular toilet set up, and then maybe in the evenings or at night you want to bring this into the room, it's great because it's versatile. You can bring it back and forth really easily. Now it comes with this piece as well, so this is going to be a splash guard, which is really going to make it more comfortable and easy for them to use, and it's going to make cleanup a lot easier. You're able to just put this down here, and obviously if this is going to be up high, making it easier for them to take a seat on, they might miss, right? It's a little bit of a difference from here down to the toilet. So having this piece here is going to be a nice splash guard, making it easy for them to aim and hit the toilet with ease. Now you could also just leave it in here if you wanted to and use it as the regular form. This will fit right on top. This bucket fits pretty much with this splash guard. So regardless of how you want to use it, you've got a bunch of different options, and I find this to be one of the best toilet seat risers slash mobile toilets. This is perfect for in the bedroom or anybody who is taking care of the elderly. This is perfect. So if you're looking for a good toilet seat riser, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up and trying it out.